Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shilpa Sathe. I'm a Mumbai-based energy healer, and today we are going to do angel card reading for the coming month, that is July 2021. So I have already placed 3 cards here. These are the 3 groups. This is group number 1 with blue feather, group number 2 with pink feather, and group number 3 with purple feather. So you just have to look at these feathers and select one feather intuitively for yourself, and that is your group for this month. If you are unable to choose, make 3 chits and write color of each feather on each chit, and you can choose one. So you can pause the video and select one group for yourself intuitively. Now let's see what are the messages for group 1, that is blue feather. So I'll keep this feather over here. So I have selected a few cards, and the first card is how your upcoming month, that is July 2021, is going to be. Easy does it. There is no need to hurry or force things to happen. Everything is occurring in perfect timing. Wow. So, group 1, are you worried about your future plans? Which is making you to take a lot of actions to make things happen? When I'm saying action, I mean actions taken by logic, not inspired actions. Then angels are telling you that you don't have to worry about anything, and you don't have to force things to happen, because in the process of making things happen, you are being harsh on yourself, and you're hurting yourself and sometimes others. So don't do that. Everything is occurring in a perfect timing, and you don't have to worry about anything or hurry or force things to happen. Now let's see what actions you can take in the coming month. Compassion. So angels are telling you to be more compassionate with yourself and others. So here angels are telling you not to be harsh with yourself or others, because everything is happening in a perfect time. So what action you have to take is, or you can take is, for chasing your dreams or desires, you are being harsh on yourself and others. So treat yourself and others with more compassion. See friends, we have learned that we have to judge, criticize, or blame ourselves or people around us. But does that really work? Instead, how about loving yourself and people around you? Being compassionate will help you to find yourself, getting close to you and your dreams, and that way you will be able to get inspired actions. Now let's see what blessings angels are showering upon group 1. Integrity. I trust my ability to know what is true for me. So angels are blessing you with integrity. That means you will be able to tell your truth or what is true for you without any fear or of judgment. Mother Mary will help you to or be with you to tell others what is true for you. You will also come to know if someone is not being truthful to you or being truthful to you, whatever that is, so that you can avoid those who aren't acting with integrity. So it will help you to be more compassionate with people around you. Let me change the arrangement a bit. Now let's see which crystal can help you in the coming month. Petalite. Petalite will help you to release your pattern of being harsh or judgmental for yourself and others. And you will be able to be more compassionate with others, because judging people may it be a good judgment or bad judgment, it keeps us from consciousness. To judge ourselves or others is does not allow us to take inspired actions which are required for you in this situation. So Pedalite will help you to break those patterns, and it will also help you to increase love and compassion in your life, and be easy with yourself and others. So in the coming month, angels are telling you not to be harsh with yourself and others. Take things as they are coming and get into inspired actions instead of doing things. Then be compassionate with yourself and others. Angels are blessing you with integrity, so that you will be able to tell your truth to other people and know if people are being truthful to you. And Petalite will help you to be more compassionate with people and give up your pattern of being harsh or being judgmental. Now let's see what are the messages for group 2, that is with pink feather. So let's first see how the coming month, that is July 2021, is going to be for you. Sorceress. You are a magical person who can manifest your clear intentions into reality. Wow. So in the month of July, whatever intention you will set in your mind will manifest. So be aware about your thoughts, because your thoughts can be negative or positive. They might work in your favor or go against you. Sometimes it happens that we unknowingly or knowingly give energy to what we don't want in our life instead of what we want. And that also get manifested, because universal law says that thought becomes things. Doesn't matter if you want it or you are saying that you don't want it. If you're thinking about it, it will manifest. Now let's see what actions you can take in the coming month. Stay. So angels are guiding you that stay, take a pause or hold on, because your thoughts are manifesting every second. So become aware about what you are thinking. And if you are thinking about something you don't want, then consciously take steps towards changing your thoughts. If you are unable to do it in your mind, then you can use pen and paper, and that will help you to get clarity about what exactly is going in your mind and what exactly you want for yourself. And only that which you want will get manifested into your reality. So take a pause before every action. Now let's see what blessings angels are showering upon Group 2. Sobriety. My clear mind is easily able to focus and concentrate. Wow. So this month you are going to be in manifestation, be in the energy of manifestation of your thoughts, and Mother Mary is blessing you with sobriety. That means Mother Mary will help you to clear your mind and clear negative thoughts from your mind, so that you will be able to focus on what you choose to manifest in your life. How does it get better than this? What else is possible? So pray to Mother Mary and thank her for blessing you with sobriety. Now let's see which crystal you can invoke in the coming month. Bronzite. Okay, bronzite will help you to take a pause and connect with yourself. So angels are telling you to take a pause and think what you are thinking. Know what you are thinking. I'm so sorry. So bronzite will help you to take that pause and connect with yourself, so that you will be able to watch your thoughts. It will also help you to be sober, so that sobriety, so that you will get clarity about what you choose to manifest in your life. So in the coming month you are going to manifest your intentions. So angels are telling you to take a pause and get clarity about what you choose to have. Angels are blessing you with sobriety, so that you will be able to focus and concentrate and choose what you want in your life or what you choose to have in your life. And bronzite will help you to take that pause and so that you can connect with yourself, and it will also help you to clear your mind, so that you will be able to focus and concentrate. Now let's see what are the messages for third group, that is purple feather. Keep this feather here. So let's see, I have taken few cards for you, and let's see what are the messages for you. So the first card is how your upcoming month, that is July 2021, is going to be for you. Leap of faith. Take a risk and put your heart's true desire into action. So these month angels are guiding you to go out of your comfort zone. Do something that makes you uncomfortable and fearful. Something that you are not choosing just because you feel you are not ready to take that risk. Angels are telling you to take actions about what you truly desire. Don't allow your fears to overpower you. Make a decision to follow your heart's desire. And once you make it, universal energies will immediately start supporting your decision. And doors of success will open for you. Now let's see what actions you can take in the coming month. Archangel Michael. So Archangel Michael is an angel of courage, power, protection. So in the coming month, you can give all your fears and worries related to your desires to Archangel Michael. Praying Archangel Michael will help you to overcome all your fears and worries. He will help you to gain confidence, power, and courage required to follow your heart's desire. Now let's see what blessings angels are showering upon group 3 in the coming month. Inner child. I nurture the child within me through playfulness and self-care. So angels are blessing you with love and care. Your inner child might feel afraid to take that leap of faith, to take risk, or to go out of your comfort zone, and it might become cranky sometimes, and your emotions will start overpowering you and the situation. That inner child needs to be handled with love and care, because it is trying to tell you that it is afraid of becoming uncomfortable. So that inner child needs love and care, and it needs to feel secure, and angels are blessing you with that love and care required to handle your inner child. So thank angels for showering that love and care upon you. So just call upon your angels and thank them for all the love and care they are showering upon you. Now let's see which crystal can help you in the coming month. Amazonite. Wow. So once you make a decision of taking your desires into action and follow your heart, Amazonite will help you to get into the flow of universal consciousness, because only actions are not helpful. You require to take inspired actions, and inspired actions comes when you are connected to universal consciousness, where everything is possible and success is yours. So that way you will get inspired actions to achieve your desires, and it will also help you to feel secure. So in the coming month, group 3, angels are telling you to take risk and put your heart's desire into action. They are telling that pray to Archangel Michael to because you require courage and power to overcome your fears and get out of your comfort zone. And angels are showering upon you the love and care that you require to become fearless and go out of your comfort zone. And Amazonite will help you to connect to universal consciousness and take inspired actions to put your heart's true desire into actualization. So this was the card reading for this month, that is July 2021. If you like this video, please hit like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, so please do subscribe, because your subscriptions and like help these videos to circulate more and more. And those who are looking for guidance, these videos can reach to them through your likes and subscriptions. Also feel free to share these videos with your family members and friends, so that they also can get benefited by these videos. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.